Okay, hello everyone. Good morning. Good morning to all. Am I audible? Okay, good. Thank you. Okay, so which topic we had discussed in the last lecture? Walk, path, and circuit. Good. Okay. And before that, we had discussed the concept of complete graph, bipartite graph, complete bipartite graph. Okay. Connected, disconnected graph. These all are very important definitions. Okay. And we'll
Sir,
apply
can
this
we
graph.
do path once more? Path. I
Okay.
understood walk and circuit.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Uh, we'll use this all special type of graph. Okay, complete graph is one of the special graph. Then after bipartite graph, complete bipartite graph, these are the special graph. Okay, where we consider fixed vertices, that 5 vertices, 7 vertices, 9 vertices, 11 vertices, and we can create one of the fixed situation. Okay, fixed graphical representation. So that is one of the one of the standard graph that we had discussed in the last lecture. And then after we had discussed concept of walk, path, and circuit. Okay, that is also one of the specific criteria in the graph how we can consider a walk. Okay, because as we know that as we discussed in the first lecture. Okay, we discuss application of the graph. Okay, the connectivity to the object. And connectivity may be anyone that any connectivity you can consider as a road network, as a rail network, as a flight network, as a communication network, clear, or telephone network, any connectivity you can consider, and you can, as per the connectivity, you can change the object. Clear, as per the connectivity, you can change the object. Clear. So now we have to consider a walk to such type of connectivity. Clear. If there is a 5 places we have, and there is a road network between these 5 places, and now I have to consider one of the walk over these 5 places. Clear. So what does it mean? Okay, what is meaning of walk to any of the graph? Okay, so that we discussed in the last lecture. It is the one of the finite sequence. Okay, finite alternating sequence of vertex and edges where beginning and ending with one vertex. ठीक है, कोई प्लेस से आपको जर्नी स्टार्ट करनी है, you to start with one of the place, and then after move on this route. Clear. And end your journey with one of the place. So that is meaning of walk. Clear? As a definition point of view. Okay, in real life we just consider any of the walk. Okay, means you have to visit one place to another place. Clear, by any of the way and so on. So, but how we can define two mathematical way? Clear? So it is one of the alternating sequence, and it should be the finite. Clear? Because we cannot create infinite walk. Clear? We cannot manage infinite walk, infinite continuous walk. Clear? That we cannot consider. But it should be the finite alternating sequence of vertex and edges where beginning and ending with one vertex. Clear? So that is meaning of walk, and there is a two conditions for that. Edges, you cannot consider more than one edge. Clear? Means you cannot repeat more than one edge. You just use only one time, and to again visit the same place, use the another route. Clear? But same route, same connectivity you cannot use again. Clear? So no edge appears more than one in a walk, but vertex may appear more than one in a walk. You can visit the same place more than 2 times, but by using another route. Clear? You cannot use the same connectivity, same road network again to reach the same place. Clear? So that is the definition. And then after we had discussed some example for this graph. Clear? It's very easy. You have to just start with one of the place. कोई एक place आपको start करना है. Starting place may be anyone from the graph. ठीक है, कोई भी place आप ले सकते हो. You start with one of the vertex. Clear? And then after just move on this graph only. Clear? And you can create a walk. Clear? You just start with the place A, then after move to the place B, A E1 B, then after E2C. That is one of the walk. Clear? We're starting and ending with one vertex. Clear? Then after you can add some more edges, some more vertices. That clear? That is one of the walk also. You just change the starting place. Clear? Let us say E. Then after move on the directions A, B, C, D, and one anyone. Clear? That is meaning of walk. Lots of example you can give. Clear? Not only 2 and 3. Clear? It depends on the graph, how many edges are there, how many vertex are there, and as per this possibility, you can create lots of examples. If you just change the starting place, ending place, you will get another example. Clear? You just change the root, change the edges, you will get another example. Clear? So this way we can check the walk, and here one of the counter example which is not a walk. Clear? Where one of the edge is repeated in such root. Clear? What is the root there? It is a even b. Okay, a even b. Then after e phi e, and that is a even b e phi e. And this one, that is a even b e phi e. Then after again move on this loop, reach to the e again. Then after e7a, e1b, okay, and e2c. That is your loop. And in this route, the one of the connection is repeated. Here, one of the connectivity is repeated there, so it is not a walk. Clear? That is known as a closed walk. Clear? That is the definition is given that a closed walk if first vertex and last vertex is the same, then it is known as a closed walk. Clear? If first and last is different, then it is known as an open walk. Clear? The open route where first and last is different, then it is known as a open walk. Clear? Where it is the same, you just start your journey from the Rajkot and you just visit 3 to 4 places. Clear? 4 cities, and then again reach back to the Rajkot city, then it means a close. And you just start your journey from Rajkot and you just stay at Ahmedabad, otherwise Surat, then it is known as a open. Clear? That is meaning of this one. And then after next is a path that we consider in the last lecture. It is modification of the walk definition. We just consider open walk where no vertex appear more than one. ठीक है, आपको एक ओपन वॉक करनी है और उस ओपन वॉक में कोई भी वर्टेक्स दूसरी बार रिपीट नहीं होना चाहिए. ठीक है, नो वर्टेक्स appear more than once. एक वर्टेक्स को आपको एक ही बार यूज करना है, मींस एक प्लेस आपको एक ही बार विजिट करना है. ठीक है, एंड इट शुड बी एन ओपन, मींस कहीं से आपने स्टार्ट किया, यू जस्ट एंड योर जर्नी विद डिफरेंट प्लेस. Clear? And no such repetition is allowed in such route. So it is known as a path. Clear? So here one of the example is that A, E1B, E2C, E3D, E4E. Okay, that is this one. Okay. A, E1B, E2C, E3D, and E4E. Clear? That is now open route A to E, and no such vertex is repeated in between A to E. Clear? कोई भी vertex repeat नहीं हो रहा. It is not compulsory that you have to cover all the vertex. Okay, for example, if I consider only 3 vertex A, E1B, then after E2C only, A, E1B, E2C only. So it involves 3 vertex only. So it is also known as a path. Okay, A, E1B is also known as a path. Clear? So here one of the 2 counter example is that E, E8, E4D, E6B, E1A. That is not a path. Why it is not a path? Because one vertex is repeated there. Which vertex is repeated? E. Clear? Means what is the conclusions based on this example? We can include a loop. We can include a loop in the example of walk. Okay, that is the loop is included here. That is example of walk. Okay, where no such age is repeated here. Clear? That is example of walk, but it is not example of path. Clear? Means we can include a walk, we can include a loop in the example of walk, but we cannot include a loop in the example of path. Clear? That is a overview of that example. Clear? And then after third one, circuit. Clear? So in that we consider a closed walk. Clear? Path में आपको open walk लेनी है, circuit में आपको closed walk लेनी है. ठीक है? So in this circuit we consider a closed walk where no such vertex is repeated except starting and ending. ठीक है, क्लोज वॉक है, मींस स्टार्टिंग और एंडिंग तो सेम ही रहेगा. ठीक है, so except this 2 vertex, except starting and ending, no such repetition is allowed. ठीक है, so that means a circuit. It is also called a cycle. Clear? So we just consider first triangle here. Okay, A, E1B, E5E and E7A. A से start किया था, A पे end किया. ठीक है, in between A to A no any repetition is there. Clear? So it is called the circuit. Okay? It is known as a cycle. And then after we discuss connected graph and disconnected graph. Okay, And then after we had discussed exercise, okay, we had also completed this in the last lecture. And now today we'll discuss one of the well-known graph in the graph theory, that is the Euler graph. Okay? Euler, that is also known as a Eulerian graph. Okay? What is this graph here? And based on that, which situations we can solve. Clear? What is the situation we have in this Euler graph? And that we also discuss in the Königsberg bridge problem. Clear? And based on this problem, Euler has developed the graph theory, and then after he developed this graph, okay, develop these conditions to manage the situation. What is the situation was there? You have to start with one place. Okay? There are lots of places are there, 5 to 6 places, let us say, and there are a road network between these 5 to 6 places. So you have to start with one place. कोई एक place आपको start करना है, and you have to cover all the connection, all the edges, all the network exactly one time, and again reach back to the starting place. जहाँ से आपने start किया वहीं फिर से आपको पहुंचना है, and you have to cover all the connection, जो भी connection है बीच में, तो जितने भी edge है, you have to cover it exactly one time and again reach back to the starting place. ठीक है? Means if we have the 5 places, ठीक है? And there are road network between the 5 places, clear to each other. And now you have to start with one place. ठीक है? कोई एक place A से आपने start किया है. Now you have to move on this route, okay? And covered all the road network exactly one time. Means एक road network आपको एक ही बार use करना है. Covered all the road network exactly one time and again reach back to your starting place. That is meaning of Euler graph. Clear? And that we discuss in the first problem of the graph theory, Königsberg bridge problem. Let us first discuss it here and then we'll again check the Königsberg bridge problem. So what is a graph, Euler graph? When we say any graph is Euler or not. So if the graph G, if it is possible to find a closed walk running through every edge of the G, running through every edge of the graph G exactly once. Running through every edge of the graph G means you have to create one of the closed walk. आपको एक क्लोज वॉक ग्राफ में बनानी है जिसमें ग्राफ की सभी एज एक बार यूज हो, सभी एज आ जानी चाहिए, and it should be the only one time. Clear? You can use any edge exactly one time. If it is possible, then this graph is known as a Euler graph. Okay, this closed walk is called the Euler line, and the graph, the Euler, this graph consists of Euler line. That is called the Euler graph. Clear? Is it clear? You have to create one of the closed walk. आपको एक closed walk बनाने हैं, means आपको एक place आपको start करना है, वहीं पे आपको journey end करना है. And in between your journey, you have to cover all the connection exactly one time. Okay, you can repeat the place. Okay, you can repeat the vertex because it is a closed walk. Closed walk means you can repeat the vertex. If it is a circuit, that we cannot repeat the vertex. But now it is a closed walk only. So we can repeat the vertex. We can repeat the same place again by using another route. But our aim is you have to cover every edge exactly one time. आपको सभी एज कवर करनी है और वो भी exactly one time. So if it is possible, then this closed walk is called Euler line, and such type of graph is known as a Euler graph. Okay. So here one of the simple graph is given that only triangle. Okay, and this triangle is Euler graph. Why it is Euler graph? Here we have to start. Here we start from the vertex A. ठीक है, वर्टेक्स ए से मैंने स्टार्ट किया. आई हैव टू क्रिएट वन ऑफ द क्लोज वॉक. मुझे एक क्लोज वॉक बनानी है. ठीक है, विच कवर्ड एवरी एज एग्जैक्टली वन टाइम. सो आई जस्ट मूव ऑन द ए E1 B. ओके, देन आफ्टर E3 C, and then after E2 A. Clear? A E1 B, E3 C and E2 A. Clear? So it is one of the closed walk. ऐसे स्टार्ट किया है पे एंड की. ठीक है, and you just check that 3 edges are there in the graph, and all the 3 edges are covered. No any repetition is there. All the 3 edges are included in this closed walk. So this graph is known as a Euler graph. Here, this graph is known as a Euler graph. Let us consider another one. This graph, okay, which includes some more vertices and some edges. Clear? So now you have to check this graph is a Euler or not. So I have to just check one of the closed walk which covered every edge exactly one time. Clear? So let's start with the A E1 B. Okay, I'll reach to the B plus. E1 is now covered. I cannot repeat E1 again in the next step. So A1B, E2C, E3D, E4E. Okay, these boundary edges are covered now. Clear? All the boundary edges are covered. A, E1B, E2C, E3D, E4E. Clear? Now 3 edges is remaining. So let's move on this direction. I will cover the E5, reach to the B again. Okay, that is a close walk is there. Which, then B is 6D and E7A. Clear? So from A to A, all the edges are included. Okay, that is given here. A, E1B, E2C, E3D, E4E, E5B, E6D, and E7A. Clear? So this graph is called the Euler graph, which you have to cover every edge exactly one time. Clear? And if it is possible, clear, it is not possible for all the graph. If it is possible, then this graph is called the Euler graph. If it is not possible, then it is not Euler. Clear? So here another example. This graph is a not Euler graph. Why it is not Euler graph? If we start from the place A, okay? So I just move on this graph A, E1B, E2C, E5E, E7F, E6C. Okay? Then after move to D, E3D. Now from D, 2 edges is remaining. Okay? One is the E8 and second is the E4. So if I move on this direction, clear? Reach to the B again. Now from B, this is already used. You can ऐसे start किया था. Clear? So from B, we have no any another direction to reach to the A. Clear? If I move on this directions, clear E4A, so it will be the close walk, but not a Euler line. Clear? Why it is not Euler line? Because E8 is missing. Clear? E8 will not include in such graph. Yes. Yes. Clear? So if it is covered all the edges, clear, exactly one time, then it is called the Euler graph. Clear? If it is not include all the edges exactly one time, then it is not a Euler graph. Yeah. D. If we remove it, then it will be the Euler graph. तो क्लोज हो गया A, B, C, E, F, C, D to A. If it is given, modify the graph to create Euler graph, then you can remove this. Clear? But now this is a fixed situation. ठीक है, कोई एक fixed situation है, कोई map है, it is a fixed view. ठीक है, कोई location से 5 to 6 place, that is a fixed view. Clear? Fixed map, we cannot modify it. And our aim is you have to find such close walk. आपका aim क्या है? आपको ऐसी एक close walk बनानी है, इसमें सभी connection को आपको use करना है, and you have to reach back again to the starting place. ठीक है? That is our problem. Clear in this Euler graph. If it is possible for any of the situation, then it is Euler graph. If it is not possible, then it is not Euler. Clear? So let us learn one of the applications of Euler graph to the Königsberg bridge problem, okay, that we discussed in our first lecture of the graph theory. Let us discuss it again now. It is related to this topic. Clear? This problem is related to this topic. That was the actual problem, real life problem. Clear? The Königsberg city. And there is one Prigel river. Okay, the river name is Prigel river. And there are one of the 2 islands, okay, and 2 banks. Clear? Across the this city. Clear? And this river passes across the city. And there are 7 bridges are located. Clear? Over the river. 7 bridges are there. Clear? That is a real life problem right now. Clear? Actual problem. That, now what is the situation is that there are 2 large islands, that is 1 and 2, and in the middle of Prigel river, and they were each connected to one another, that is connected by one another, okay, by this bridge, as well as 2 river banks. These are the 2 river banks, okay, to the city. Either side which comprise the majority of the city. And how were they connected? Okay, these are connected by these 7 bridges. Clear? All are connected by the 7 bridges. These are the 2 banks. Clear? And there is one river passes through this across the city. Clear? And there are 7 bridges over the river. Now, what is our problem? The goal is we have to walk. Clear? We have to walk across all the 7 bridges. ठीक है, कोई पर्सन है कोनिकबर्ग सिटी का जो पर्सन है, ठीक है, पब्लिक, they have to start, they have to find one of the route. ठीक है, they have to find one of the route, they have to start one of the place, and you have to cross all the 7 bridge exactly one time, and again reach back to the starting place. ठीक है, that is related to our Euler graph. Okay, that is same things we have to check it here. Okay, कोई place आपको start करना है, and you have to cover all the edges exactly one time, and again reach back to the starting place. These are the edge, and these 4 places are our vertex. ठीक है, you have the 4 choice to start your journey. आपके पास 4 अलग अलग प्लेस है जहां से आप जर्नी स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, 2 bank and 2 bank. Clear? 2 island and 2 bank. Clear? And you have to cross all the 7 bridge exactly one time. Means all the 7 edges exactly one time, and again reach back to the starting place. That is the problem the Königsberg city people face at that time. Clear? So now this is a map view. ये पूरा map है, ठीक है? And you have to find all the possibility. It will take lots of time. ठीक है, कोई person है suppose यहाँ से उसने start किया, and then after moving this direction, and he check that it is not a solution. Clear? Then after he change the route, it start with this bridge, and then after check that it is possible or not. Okay? Then after he visit, consider this bridge, and then after he check that it is possible or not. ऐसे आपके पास 4 अलग-अलग place है और 7 bridge. Here there are lots of cases we can create here. Is it possible or not? It will take lots of time to find such route. Here, so how graph theory is help here, and how we can check is it possible or not. ये जो पूरा मैप है, you have to convert one of the graph. इस सिचुएशन को आपको एक ग्राफ में कन्वर्ट करना है. ठीक है, ये सिचुएशन इन 2D से it is same, here same map. River, 7 bridges are there. So how we can convert as a graph form? Clear? So for that, all these places consider as a that is vertex A. Clear? That is vertex A here. This island. That is a B. Okay, this bank. That is a place C. Okay, that is vertex C, and that is a D here. Clear? So consider 4 vertex. That is our A. It is a B. It is a C, and that is a D. Clear? Now create a graph. इसका आपको graph बनाना है. तो 4 vertex define हो गए. Now connected by edges. So what does it mean? How many bridge between A and C? There are 2 bridge. Clear? 2 connection between A and B. 2 bridge है A और B, C के बीच में. ठीक है? As well as A और B के बीच में. So we just create 2 edges from A to C and from A to B. Clear? Now check A or D. What is the connection between A and D? There is only 1 bridge. Clear? So connect by a single edge. Clear? Same for a C and D. Which bridge is that? This one, single one. That is connect by C and D. And same for B and D. How many bridge between B and D? That is this one. Clear? So we'll get this graph. This one. And now you just check this graph. Okay, you just move on this graph. You just start with one of the vertex, and you just create one of the closed walk which covered every edge exactly one time. If it is possible, then this problem has a solution. Okay, if this possible to the graph, okay, can we create such closed walk which covered every edge exactly one time? If it is possible to the graph, then it is possible to this problem also. Clear? And Euler explained that okay, it has a no solution. Clear? And you can check it here to this graph. Clear? You just start with one of the place. You just start with one of the place. Clear? And you just create one of the route which covered every edge exactly one time, and again reach back to the starting place. Okay? In any way, it is not possible. Still one of the edge is remaining there. Clear? कोई एक miss हो जाएगा. ठीक है? We cannot cover all the edge exactly one. Clear? Why? Because this graph not follow the Euler condition. This graph does not follow the Euler condition. This Königsberg bridge problem does not follow the Euler condition. Therefore, it is not possible. If it is follow the Euler condition, then it is possible. Clear? What is Euler condition? If can we create such closed work which covered every edge exactly one time? अगर वो possible है ग्राफ में तो इसका solution है. If it is not possible, then it is not solution. Clear? So that is a connectivity between this our graph theory to the real life problem. Clear? Where it is required कि जहाँ पे आपको एक ऐसा रूट डिफाइन करना है, ठीक है, you have to find one of the walk, one of the closed walk कि जिसमें आपको सभी कनेक्शन एक बार यूज करने हैं, ठीक है. If it is satisfy the Eulerian condition, then it will be possible. If it is not satisfy Eulerian condition, then it is not possible. Okay. So Königsberg bridge problem has a no solution. Clear? And therefore, to solve this problem, okay, Euler has developed all this graph theory concept. Here he first defined the definition of graph, degree definitions, adjacency, incidency, clear complete graph, complete bipartite graph, theorems, its result, proof, clear, and then after he developed a Euler graph, clear, based on the walk, path, and circuit concept. Okay, so these two example we have checked, and we said that it is not a first one is Euler graph and second one is not a Euler graph. ठीक है, first में आप easily एक Euler line create कर सकते हो, which we can include all the edges exactly one time. But in second it is not possible. ठीक है, you can start with any vertex. कोई भी place आप ले सकते हो. In the first graph we can easily create one of the Euler line. It is not compulsory that you have to start with always a. You can start with A, B, C, D, any one, clear? And you will get the same answer. Clear? You will get the same root, same possibility that it is Euler graph. Clear? And second में भी आप कोई भी root ले सकते हो, ठीक है? You can start with any vertex, and at last you get answer, you get conclusion that it is not a Euler graph. Clear? Now, if you observe this graph, these are the limited number of vertices. Clear? In the first graph, it included 5 vertices. Second graph, it included 6 vertices. And we just observe such root. Here we can easily check the Euler line. Is it possible or not possible? Okay? But if we have one of the large graph which include 50 vertex and 75 edges, clear? So in that case, it is not possible to find such Euler line. Possible, but it will take some time. Clear? It will take some time to manage the root. Clear? Which directions you have to follow first, and then we'll get answer. 50 vertex and 75 edges connection का graph है, and वो आपको verify करना है कि Euler है या नहीं. Clear? So which result we can use directly to check any graph is a Euler or not. ठीक है, कौन सा ग्राफ होगा कि जो हमेशा Euler ग्राफ होगा. ठीक है, with any number of vertices, any number of edges. ठीक है, so Euler has derived one of the result that, and here we'll consider directly a given connected graph G. Okay? A given connected graph G is always a Euler graph if and only if all the vertices is of even degree. Okay? All the vertices is of the even degree. अगर ग्राफ के सभी vertex की डिग्री even है, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on, then this graph always a Euler graph. You can easily create such Euler line which include every edge exactly one time. Clear? And you can verify this result here into the both graph. In the first graph, it is Euler graph. Okay? And let us check the degree of this one. Degree of all the vertex of this graph. So degree of A is a 2. Okay? Degree of B is equal to 4. Degree of C is equal to 2. D is equal to 4. And E is equal to 2. So all the vertex have even degree. Okay, all the vertex have even value, even degree value, 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. These are the even value. Clear? So in this graph, you can easily create a Euler line. Clear? Now in second one, degree of A is a 2, B and D is equal to degree 3. Means all the vertex are not a even degree. ठीक है, all the vertex have not even degree, therefore this graph is not Euler. Okay, and same result you can use to the Königsberg graph. Okay, which graph we have to the Königsberg? This graph we have created.
Sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, please.
सर मीन्स हमेशा ऐसा ही होगा कि अगर किसी भी वर्टेक्स की डिग्री ओड हो गई तो वो ऑयलर्स ग्राफ नहीं होगा.
Yes, that is always a true. If any vertex is degree odd, then it is never Euler graph. Clear? You cannot create such Euler line in such type of graph. Clear? We'll
Okay,
discuss
sir.
more example after that. Here, let us check the Königsberg bridge graph. Okay, that is a graph of Königsberg that we discuss right now. A, that is a B, C, and D. Now here we apply the same trick. Clear? कि आपको एक close walk बनानी है जिसमें सभी edge covered है. As we check that in any way it is not possible. Now we use this condition here why it is not possible. Okay, so here degree of all the vertices are odd, means no any vertex have even degree. Clear? All the vertex have degree odd value. Clear? It is an odd number. Means in such graph it is not possible to find such close walk. It is not possible to find such close walk which covered every edge is exactly one. Is it clear to all? Is there any doubt to anyone? All of you are clear? Euler graph. Is there any confusion? Yes. Yeah, no. Let's draw it. Okay, let's check it. Is it possible or not? For example, let's draw one graph here and let us think about how it is not possible. Okay, well, I'm x square let out. That is a square here. Okay, so in this graph it is possible. Okay, we can easily create all the edges exactly one time. ठीक है, square में possible है, means triangle है, square है, pentagon है, that always a Euler graph. Clear? That is counter example. Now if I add one more edge, B and D, now check it is possible. It is not possible in any way. ठीक है, कोई भी आप starting point ले लो, is it not possible to cover every edge exactly one? ठीक है, आप D से start करो, let's take D से आपने start किया, ठीक है, and you just move in any direction, D to B, let us say B to C, C to D, D to A, and A to B. You'll reach to the B edge. You stuck at the B. Clear? So it is not possible in this way. Clear? If I add more edges. Clear? This way. If I add another edges, that is in that case is also not possible. Clear? But if I consider a parallel edges between these two, now it is possible. Okay? In this graph it will be possible, and you can also verify this. Clear? A to B, then after just move on the boundary first. Okay, square A B C D A, then now move on this one. Clear? Parallel edges. Now enter to the inside by this cross, and again you will reach back to the A. Clear? Let's check it here. ऐसे आपने स्टार्ट किया, ठीक है, ए पॉइंट से. फर्स्ट मूव ऑन दिस स्क्वायर, ठीक है, स्क्वायर पे इसे मूव करना है, ए बी सी डी ए. क्लियर? नाउ मूव ऑन दिस पैरेलल रोड, reach to the B again, B to D again, D to C again, okay, by the parallel road, and D C to A again. तो ऐसे स्टार्ट किया, ए पे एंड किया, all the edges covered, कोई भी एज रिपीट नहीं हुई, ठीक है, all the edge covered that, therefore it is possible. ठीक है, and you can see that degree of all vertices are even. क्लियर? तो अगर कोई भी ग्राफ है, ठीक है, उसको आपको ऑयलर चेक करना है तो पहले उसकी डिग्री चेक कर लो. ठीक है, अगर डिग्री सबकी इवन वैल्यू है तो उस ग्राफ में डेफिनेटली एक ऑयलर लाइन क्रिएट होगी. ठीक है, एंड देन यू जस्ट मेंशन दैट ऑयलर. क्लियर? एंड इफ इट इज नॉट अ इवन डिग्री, किसी की डिग्री ऑड है सपोज के, तो जस्ट राइट योर कंक्लूजन कि दिस ग्राफ इज नॉट अ ऑयलर ग्राफ. ठीक है, उसमें कोई भी पॉसिबिलिटी ऐसी नहीं होगी जिससे एक ऑयलर लाइन बने. ठीक है, इन एनी वे इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. ठीक है, and we have such online tool available, and based on that we can easily check any graph is a Euler or not. Clear? We can use it to verify any of the graph is a Euler or not. Clear? We can directly check it. Yesterday in one of the labs we had discussed it. Let us discuss it again. That is a graph online tool we have. Okay, graph online. You can create any types of graph here, any types of graph. Okay, you can create it, you can modify the graph, and there are some algorithm is available here. You can use this algorithm to find the answer. You can find the shortest path. You can find the depth of the first vertex. You can find the graph coloring option. You can check the maximum flow, Eulerian cycle, Eulerian path, Hamiltonian cycle, Hamiltonian path. Then after matrix, you can also check it here. That is given here. Okay, you can check the adjacency matrix, incidence matrix, graph convert to the matrix, matrix convert to the graph. Clear? But right now we'll check graph is a Euler or not. ठीक है, तो कैसे ग्राफ बनाना है इसमें? You can change the notations by consider 1, 2, 3 either A, B, C, D option is there. Okay. Okay, this one. Okay, this tool. Online graph online करके कहते हैं. You can use it to create any graph. ठीक है? And then you can find your answer also. Clear? Required answer. So let's create a graph and let's check graph is Euler or not. Okay, these two examples we have discussed right now. Let us use this graph. You can create a new graph by using this option. Now there is one tab, add vertex. Okay, by using this you can add the vertex. You just click on this board and you just click here. You will get a number of vertex. Clear? Here we required this graph. Clear? Let us consider this one. Now we create edges. So edges आप कैसे बना सकते हो? There is second tab is there. Connect the vertex. ठीक है? And now we can create edges. Click on one vertex and then after second vertex. जिसको दोनों को आपको connect करना है. ठीक है? So connect A and B. And then after we get one option there. Okay, it has a weight. So what is meaning of weight? Okay, that part we discuss in the one of the lab. Okay, we discuss traveling salesman problem. Okay, there is a distance between two places are given. So distance that is meaning of weight of the edges. Clear? तो यहाँ पे कोई weight नहीं है. Just start as no any weight and just click on undirected. You will get a undirected graph situation. Okay, directed आप click करोगे तो there is one arrow will be mentioned. So that is now weight between A and B. Clear? Same for A to D. Then after D to E. Clear? E and C. And then after B and C. Clear? ये पेंटागन हो गया. ठीक है? Now let us check it is Euler graph or not. ठीक है? So how we can check Euler? Clearly it is Euler graph, but we have to verify by using this one. So just click on the algorithm tool, and there is one of the option is that Eulerian cycle, means closed walk. Okay? So just click on that, and you will get answer. Okay, if it is Euler graph. And as you can see in this graph, one of the point is moving. Okay, over the graph. And what does it mean? To follow this cycle. A to B, A to C, A to B, B to C, C to E, E to B, F. Yes. If Euler है, then it will be. If it is not Euler, suppose if I modify this graph, if I connect A and E, okay? Now this graph is modified and it is not Euler. Okay, so let's check it by using this way. So it will be processed and the result is graph is not Euler. Okay, graph is not Euler. Okay, now let's again modify it. Okay, now let's check this one. Okay, so it is Euler graph. Okay, if it has Euler and cycle, we'll get the answer. Okay, it's one of the point will be moving over the graph, and you will get the cycle also here from A to A. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, then after move on. So here, no any edge is repeated here. कोई भी edge repeat नहीं हो रही है, ठीक है? All the edge uses exactly one time. Okay? So you can verify any of the graph. Okay? You can verify any of the graph which is Euler or not. Okay? Let's check one example that we discuss. Okay, this graph we have. जो Euler नहीं है, ठीक है? Let's check it by using this one. It will take some time to create a graph, okay? But after that, you can directly check that which Eulerian cycle the graph will follow, okay? And this one, okay? This graph we have discussed. Now you can see that it is not a Euler graph, okay? But if it is required some modification, okay? If it is required some modification, so I will remove the one edge from this form, okay? And then after I will check now. And now it will be Euler. Yeah. So what is the application of this one? Sometimes you have to develop such route. Okay. For example, if you consider one of the city map, okay, compare Rajkot city and Gandhinagar city. So which is a well developed city? Gandhinagar, okay, because there is no any traffic issues you will face here at any time. Okay. Why it is? Because all the connections, all the places, networks, means road network are well developed. Clear? Well developed. There is no any single route between the two places. Clear? There is no any single route between the two places. There are multiple sub connections will be there to reach one to another. Therefore, it is not traffic. Now compare this situation to the Rajkot city. Okay, there is only single route between Madhapur circle to Gondal circle. Clear? Therefore, it is a lots of traffic to over the ring road. Clear? But if there are multiple possibility to connect these two places, then traffic will be less. Clear? So sometimes you have to develop such planning. Okay, we have to develop one of the city, one of the network, and so on. So sometimes this part is required that you have to develop one of the network in such a way that you have to create one of the closed loop, and we just covered every edge exactly one. कोई भी place से आप start करो without repetition of any edge, you can reach back to your starting place. ठीक है? Without repetition of any edge, any network, you can reach to the starting place. ठीक है? And that type of concept right now it is required in rail network. Okay, rail network. Okay, if there is a single network, a single railway line between 6 to 7 railway station, okay, then you have to manage the timing also. Clear? To क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Crossing, okay, to manage the crossing and so on between the two trains. So if we develop such route in such a way that clear over the 6 different railway stations, so we just start the train, okay, of any of the station, and then we can reach back to the same place again by repetition of any network. Clear? So that is required in our daily life also. Clear? Similarly, it is also required to develop the electric wiring and so on to any of the building. Here it is also required to fit a gas pipeline to any of the apartment and so on. Here it's required in day-to-day life also. Clear? Okay, so this is definition of Euler graph, and in the next lecture we'll discuss let's complete this 3 graph, and then after we'll complete this session. Okay. So 3 exercises that, 3 graphs is that. Here you have to check the graph is a Euler or not. If it is Euler, write Euler line. If it is not Euler, give the reason. Okay. So what is the answer of first one? Yeah, first graph is Euler or not. Just check it and reply your answer. Euler. Is it Euler or not? No any reply from your side. Yes. Hers, Ankur. Okay, it is Euler graph. And you just write a Euler line. Okay. A to B, then after B to C, C to D, E, F, B. Okay. Then after move to the inside and again reach back to the A place. Yeah, that is Euler graph. What is the answer of second one? That is also Euler. Okay. All the vertex are even degree. Okay. First apply this condition to any of the graph. जिसमें आपको Euler check करना है. First apply the condition. Verify the degree. If all the vertex have degree even, then always a Euler graph. Okay. And then after write Euler line as answer. Third one is not a Euler graph. Okay. Because degree of E, F, H, G is a 5. Okay. So in that case, it is not possible to manage to cover every edge exactly one. Clear? It is not possible to find every edge exactly one. Clear? Okay. So next lecture we'll discuss one of the another special graph, that is a Hamiltonian graph. Okay.